Excellent, it's here, my Zosi Robo Vacuum Cleaner, the Z70, the model Z70. I wanted to buy another model, but I saw this one showing up as the latest model 2021, so I wanted to jump on it and see how it performs. But first, what's in the box? It's right now. All right, opening the box. Let's see what they give me with this vacuum cleaner. And first, there is some kind of pouch here. That's probably the user manual. Yes, after opening it, you can see robot cleaner, connection, quick start guide probably, warranty card, etc. So that's good to have. Then let's open this section, and then we see immediately that inside this cardboard board box we have the mop plates. So that's useful if I want to use this vacuum as a mop as well. This is the plate, the accessory plate, it's right there and it's included. That's great, I don't have to buy that separately. Next, that's the main event, the vacuum, robot vacuum itself. So let's take it out. Now let's see how the main robot looks like before to open anything else. Here it is. Another plastic on the plastic. Plastic to peel out, to reveal the shiny part. Now it's going to be full of fingerprint, I'm sure. But here we go. There is more to remove. There is like a film here, plastic film on the top there, which appear to be also a button. So that's interesting. And removing this film here. Be sure to remove all those plastic film and tab because that will block the sensor. For example, the laser sensor is on the top, so if you have any plastic, it may block the function of this vacuum cleaner, and then you don't know why your vacuum cleaner is not working properly. It's just because you may have forgotten one of those plastic to remove. So let's have a look. It looks very nice, very futuristic. That's the bottom of it. So it has the brush here, the wheel, guiding wheel here, and that's the section to put the big brushes over here, which are included there. Now removing this tab, it's actually helping us to lift the top here of the vacuum. And this tab, don't forget to remove it. Actually, it will pull out this protective foam that I put around the vacuum to protect it during transportation. And here are some instructions about how to empty the dust tank as well as the dirty water tank. Now here we do have some instructions. So just in case if you forgot, you read the user manual. Usually it's not always easy in the beginning to remember all the instructions to power it on and off. So they keep you they give you here a quick reminder of how to power this unit on and off, etc. Here there is like a brush with the blades, brush accessory with the blades, which lives here in this compartment. And that's pretty much it for the inside of the vacuum. Next in the box, this is just a cardboard box for protection. Now on this side though, we have what appears to be the power supply. So the power supply which has to be connected to the dock, the charging dock, because this vacuum cleaner comes with the charging dock, which is very handy. You don't have to think about charging it. It goes back itself and it charges itself back. So that's good. Power block. Talking about the charging dock, it's right here. Charging dock, and we have the dust bin here. Let's see. Here, opening. Here is the charging dock with the anti-slip pad on the bottom here. And in the back some basic instruction how to use it. And of course always peel off the protective plastic to be able to make your device works correctly. Here it is, all nice and shiny. And then we have the dust bin here. So you can put that back instead of the water tank. So when you don't want to mop, you just swap that with the dust tank. All dust tank on all those vacuum cleaner have a filter here. So I advise you, because that's the part that will get broken or dirty very quickly, I advise you to get some replacement. I already ordered mine. Those are very easy to find on Amazon, so don't forget to get a replacement immediately because they only give you one with your vacuum cleaner. And that's pretty much it for the box, except that in the bottom we have the brushes. So there is another cardboard compartment with, you can see the brochures here, the brochures that attach on the front of your vacuum. Let's open one, see, you can see those famous brochures here. They are very like soft fiber. They will guide the dust inside your vacuum while it's working. And that's it for the box. Now all I have to do is to set up this vacuum and see how it performs. I'm patient to try it. All right, let's go. All right, here it is, all ready to be set up. I'm patient to try it. I fully charge it first. For the first time you are going to use it, you have to leave it charged or at least a full night. Be sure that the battery is fully charged before to start setting it up. That will give you the maximum battery life to do what you want to do before to start using this vacuum cleaner. Now it comes here, you have like a little flap. It comes already pre-equipped with this tank, which is the tank that do both dust and water collection for the mopping. But if you are only going to do dust, you can remove the tank, this tank, and put the dust tank, the dust only tank in place. Removing the tank, it's very easy. You have a clip here and then a little slit here. You grab the slit and the clip, you push it toward the little tank like so, and you pull straight forward, straight up actually, and that's it. Now we remove the two-in-one container, the dust slash water reservoir, and then we are going to put the normal dust reservoir, same way, the filter toward here, the grid in the back, and then just going to clip it down like so until the click. Now I flip over the vacuum, so that's the base of it, that's the bottom of it, and I'm going to install the two brushes on the front here. So the brushes, remember, they are on this cardboard box. They give you 4 of those, so you have spare already, that's good. And there is no also left and right, any will fit in any direction. So number 1 here, they just clip on the square support, up like so, and the number 2 same way, and then it's just press fitting down like so. Both are now secure. Next step on the user manual, it's to connect to the application. So to download the application on the phone and to connect to it. Application, it's called Zozy in the application store, or you could also scan the QR code they give you in the user manual. Here you choose Android or Apple iOS. You can also check the battery status of your vacuum by long pressing the power button. You press it, you long press it, it turns on, and when you see the white light on,
please wait for a few seconds.
There you go, it even talks. But when you see this light on white, that means the battery is fully charged and the robot is ready to go.
I'm ready.
And he's ready. All right, turn it off, press and hold
Shutting down.
for a few seconds and the robot will shut down. Alright, so that was the Zosi vacuum cleaner, automatic vacuum cleaner. Awesome little gadget that I'm going to enjoy a lot now. Hope this video has been useful for you. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.